Hello, this presentation is on the 7 levels of Om Mantra. It is from an article on my swamij.com website, so the whole thing can be viewed there in its entirety if you wish. Here we're just going through the summaries. And there is an image of what the Om represents. It's of this level, this level, this level, and the 4th level of our being. Here's another chart that is essentially the same thing. Notice here that the green is on the left, which is the external world, body, and conscious mind, and the sattva level is the darker purple on the right. And if you were to rotate that 90 degrees to the clockwise direction, that's the same color scheme as this is. And this graphic here is sort of a summary of the whole principle of the Om mantra. On the right side, you see there the A of the Om sound. You don't have to say it but when you say Om, there's the first bursting forth of the sound, and at the end there's an and in the middle there's an U sound. So simply Om has 3 parts in it, plus the fourth part, which is silence. So symbolically, it's the A, the U, and the M, and this is the silence after the Om. We know this commonly, all of us know this commonly as levels of waking state of consciousness, which is what we're doing right now, and we are familiar with the dreaming state of consciousness, and we're familiar with a deep sleep state of consciousness, which is beyond dreaming. There's no activity in the mind, either waking or dreaming, it's deep sleep. And beyond that is what's called Turiya, the 4th state, 1, 2, 3, the 4th state of consciousness. We also, all of us in common awareness, we experience this as our conscious thinking mind that we're using right now, our unconscious processing mind, a little bit like the microchip in a computer that is doing the thinking invisibly. And the subconscious is a little bit like the hard drive of a computer. This is where our samskaras are located, our deep memories and habit patterns. And this is consciousness itself. The names of these levels in Sanskrit, we're going to go through these in greater detail in the other sections. This is called Vaishvanara. This green, this whole plane of reality is called Vaishvanara. This plane here of reality is called Tejasa. This plane of reality is called Prajna. And this, again, is called Turiya. And in our common language, we know these. Sometimes authors and speakers talk about gross, subtle, causal. This is the gross level of reality, what we all know as the external universe. And then the subtle plane, however we may conceptualize that subtle, sometimes called psychic or astral plane of reality, is the lighter blue. And here is called the causal plane of reality. And then the parallel of that choice of words is the absolute reality. Okay, and we'll end there. And then the other sections, the other parts of this presentation will go into greater depth on all of these. Okay, thank you for visiting, and I hope you enjoy this journey through Om Mantra and its 7 levels. Bye-bye.